Hello Sim Tech Buzz, new stuff in from SUPCASE. We've got quite a few bits, so stay tuned for all of them reviews coming very soon here on the channel and on techbuzzonline.com. So we're starting off with a Google Pixel 10a Pro Mag Series protective case with stand, and it's got other features. We've got built-in screen protector, MagSafe N52 high-strength magnets, and military grade drop protection, TPU and PC structure, kickstand feature, and rotatable belt clip holster as well, apparently. Which that's it there. And let's see if that's everything in the box. That looks like everything in the box there. So you've this little card here for your extended warranty, so you can use that. And this is the case here. So as you can see, it's got the belt holder on the back. You've got your screen protectors and all that kind of stuff, and how to disassemble, how to remove the screen protector once you put it on, but you need the heat then, supposedly. So pull off this guy here, and out of the box there you can see what you're dealing with here. Pretty robust all the way around. You've got a kickstand here as well, so you can have your phone like this, or you can have your phone like that, whichever suits you. Buttons on the side, you've got grips with SUPCASE written on it there. Mic up at the top, again more grips on the side, and the corners are nice as well, so should it land on the corner, which it typically does, or face down, you're good. And we've got the outer screen here, so what you do is to get this out from to separate the two parts, which is a kind of familiar setup as we would have seen before with other cases, all kind of the same these days. That's it there. So in here you can see what's going on, and it's pretty cool, and that's pretty much that there on the back. You can see here's covered completely. There's our Pixel 10a there, and how it'll all line up. Soft TPU on the sides, which is nice, and it's soft on the edges. I don't like those rock hard cases on the edges, and I think they transfer the bang more so than anything else, and or the energy you could say, and do more damage. So this is the way to go. So what we do is we'll get our device, pop the screen on here. So you're going to put in the top end first, and we'll do it from this side. Usually they work this way, so there we go. So that's the top end in there now. So I'm just going to unlock, and you can see here straight away with your movement, nothing's affected at all. Moves pretty much as you'd expect it. So we'll open up X like so, everything's closed and working like you can see fine there, nothing wrong with that. So then what we'll do is we'll pop it into this one. So again, down in the corner, push it in, and the job is done. Just make sure that this lip is fully going around the front of the case here, like that there. And as you can see, all is pretty good there. All is in. Excellent. So with this, you can put your phone down like so. Then you have the stand like so, which is cool. And of course, you then have the option to use the belt holder as well. And the phone will be like that. So let's check out the keys, and I'll just unlock there. And that's your main key there. But once it's in this case, you're not going to be able to hit your volume keys or up or down keys. This will turn around, but once it's out, we can see keys are nice and tactile and work really well, which is exactly what you want to see. So that's pretty much what you've got there, how it's going to work and how it's looking. So you can see up here the case covers the entire back of the lens area, which is a bit exposed on this. Even though it's flat, it's still exposed, but at least it's covered here now. and the lenses are covered as well, as you can see there. So you can put your device down either way, like so, and it's going to be cool. So what's left to check out? Of course, it's wireless charging, and there we go, it is wirelessly charging, and that magnet is strong. There you go. So everything works well, looks well, it's nice, it's neat. It's not that tough plastic that doesn't really work for me. And we'll just turn off that there. And that's it there. It's pretty cool. And again, you can consume your media like this or like this. Buttons are nice and tactile, slightly raised. You can see the grips going around there as well. And this button has kind of got more ridges on it, so you'll know which one you're picking up. You can see the corners. If you've got a lanyard, you can use a lanyard strap. And that's pretty much it. Pretty cool looking case. It's nice and clean, to the point. Does the job. Has that kind of carbon finish on it there. And you can put it down this way, and you can put it down this way. And you can see how big the ridges are there on top. Your front of screen is going to be well protected with the screen protector on. Plus I have one on already. And it still fits, no problem whatsoever. And that's basically it for the SUPCASE for the Pixel 10a with the MagSafe and your stand built in, and of course your belt clip as well. For those who work on sites and so on, or just who like to carry them in general, and remember this does spin around as well like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty cool. See you in the next one.